Remedy Credit Repair Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to this Remedy Credit Repair Review, where I'll walk you through its features, target audience, and overall value. Links to the service are included in the description for more details or to get started. Remedy Credit Repair is a credit repair service designed for individuals who want professional assistance in improving their credit scores. It's ideal for those dealing with errors on their credit reports, struggling to qualify for loans, or aiming to recover from past financial challenges. Remedy focuses on simplifying the credit repair process by offering tailored solutions and expert guidance to help clients achieve their financial goals. One of Remedy's key features is its comprehensive credit analysis. After signing up, the service reviews your credit reports in detail, identifying inaccurate or questionable items like late payments, collections, or charge-offs. Remedy's team of professionals then works on your behalf to dispute these inaccuracies with credit bureaus, negotiate with creditors, and ensure that your credit profile reflects accurate and fair information. What sets Remedy apart is its commitment to transparency and education. Clients receive regular updates on their progress, ensuring you're always in the loop about what's happening with your credit. Additionally, Remedy provides resources and tips to help you build better credit habits, such as managing credit utilization, paying bills on time, and understanding how credit scoring works. These tools empower clients to maintain strong credit even after completing the repair process. The service is designed for anyone seeking a personalized, no-nonsense approach to credit repair. Whether you're recovering from a financial setback or simply want to optimize your credit score for better financial opportunities, Remedy Credit Repair caters to your needs. Its affordable pricing and month-to-month structure make it accessible and flexible, with no long-term commitments required. If you're ready to take control of your credit with a reliable and customer-focused service, Remedy Credit Repair is worth considering. Check the links in the description to learn more and start your journey toward a healthier financial future today.